Wash your face with this for 7 days and see what happens to your skin. Today we go with several exfoliants, that of applying them for 7 days, you will notice many improvements in your skin. Are you ready? 1. Lemon scrub for the face. Before offering the recipe, it is good that you consider some important issues of using lemon for cosmetics or beauty. This fruit has very good properties to exfoliate and to remove skin blemishes, but it can also have opposite effects. Do not panic. To do this, use the lemon always at night and do not go out without having completely removed, especially if you wear it on the face and it is summer. Once this proviso is made, it is time for you to learn how to make the homemade lemon scrub. Mixture: the juice of 1/2 lemon, 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Rub in your skin by giving circular massages on clean and somewhat moist skin. Then rinse thoroughly. Be careful if you have a too sensitive or white dermis. So that the lemon scent is maintained in your body, do not hesitate to add a few drops of green tea, for example, which will also give a feeling of purity and vitality to the skin. 2. Homemade banana scrub. If you have bought bananas and are too ripe, you can use them to prepare an exfoliating mask. It's not worth eating. This delicious fruit has the property of nourishing the skin, as well as softening and brightening due to its pasty consistency. To prepare the scrub, you must first step on the banana until mashed. Then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, again our friend sugar. Mix well, without leaving it too watery consistency. If this happens, add more sugar. Apply on face or body skin, after cleansing with warm water, and rinse in the shower. If you want, instead of sugar you can use sea salts or salts of Epsom. They are obtained in the naturist houses or even in the pharmacies.